All right, so I was cutting some wire with my buck 110. This is in the 420 HC steel, and I put a chip in it. Now, this is my newest 110. I got this about 3-4 weeks ago. So it's still the factory edge, and this factory edge is wonderful. Check this out. Very nice factory edge. Really, really clean cuts. Excellent. Nothing wrong with that, except this little chip. So, normally, that wouldn't bother me, but we're heading up to the Lumberjack World Championships here. You can't have a dull knife. The Lumberjack World Championships. And one thing I really like about this buck is the sawtooth pattern. A little bit of a small stone, but it's something to put in your pocket. It's wonderful. All right, we got that chip out. Now, the secret, if you want a very toothy grind, I've found, is to tone lightly. All right, and then get you a strap. So you see we have more or less replicated that scratch pattern. Sorry about my dirty hands. All right, so we got the chip gone. Ooh, that's cross grain. See, very nice, very toothy. You hear that? You can hear the teeth on it. You know, if you want to cut game, if you want to cut meat, if you want to cut food, if you want whatever you are cutting to pop, you want those teeth on your edge. I could use a little bit more. Look, what does that guy do? That. That guy with that sharpener. I'm running out of paper. No, I'm just having fun. But anyways, so with just a coarse stone, one single coarse stone. That's how you can put a, call it a factory edge in the field. Factory edge in the field. Man, I love this knife. This is a great one. All right, guys, we'll see you next time.